12 o'clock now could be normal, you know, man.
Let me get sit till 12.
Mm-mm. Well, I don't know if I can stay up, but me I try. I'm gonna try. Wish I had some people on the live to keep my company. I don't have anyone on the live. You guys wanna sleep? I'm tired, man. Hey, everywhere you turn on YouTube, you see live, you know? Everywhere you turn on YouTube, you see a live running. Everybody doing live, yeah? 4 minutes and I don't have anyone here.
So what area thought?
Mm-hmm.
So what your friend they doing?
Talk to him for morning. I'm gonna look for him. Doing one night bed go sleep, yeah. I'm on the live. My sinus is draining. I gotta sleep. Hmm? May I ask if you're sleeping? Hmm? Alright, go on to your bed then later. Happy New Year when it comes. Alright, thank you.
I do it a cup.
When I sleep. Mm-hmm. Hey Chupsy, how you doing? You're not doing any live tonight? Yes, Chupsy, I realize you're very active. I just saw you over Shan. Okay, hon. Happy New Year when it comes. Okay, supportive. Not bad. 3 plays one time. OMG. Girl, you're a real supporter and I love that. Oh Lord, people are texting me on WhatsApp. I'm not coming on my live. Cloud TV, I don't want to pronounce the first word. Cloud TV, what's up? Welcome to my live stream. Happy New Year when it comes. How you doing? Eyes him look baggy. I'll stay here for a while. Me switch my account. Okay, Chipsy. Thank you very much. I don't even know what to talk about. Ale up, Cloud TV. Ale up, ale up. Chipsy, we have fireworks down here, I'm in Mobay. They were having it earlier. Are they doing it where you are? I'm saying your body say, and not even can pronounce it by YouTube. In your bad tail. No fireworks. Them bad down here than I'm a being a man. Fireworks are all over. At what you call that hotel there? You sleep on it?
Hmm?
Where hotel name where fireworks are keep again?
Where
Oh, there so.
the one that
Where fireworks did I go on? Figure Falmouth.
Ivory Star?
What name?
Think of Ivory Star.
Alright, just say name. I be your star. If I pronounce it properly. They were having fireworks. I mean, it was like 12 o'clock now. A pure shellings. A pure pishing wing wing wing. Pure that I could go on my ears. But I don't mind me fall asleep before that time come. I don't really like hear them thing there. People are doing it in their yard. I mean, I wrong them. People used to that and, for they're staying home not doing anything. People have get wild. Something wrong them. Once a day, yeah, then they. I mean, I see nothing wrong with it. And police need to leave the people them alone. Beat the man get locked up for it. Mm-mm. Poor thing. Beat the man always in a trouble with the law. But even Grand Market, the fire clappers, a lot of places they had it bursting and police never locked them up. Jamaica not really like follow rules still. But we have to understand they used to a set of trend and for the government to take it away from them just like that. They might behave unruly. Yeah, Beanie Man have money. He have money, he can't do anything. And like we are try. For real, man, I said. I know many more can get locked up. Oh, no good for your record, true. No good for your record. But guys, what do you think about 2021? You think 2021 could be better? In terms of the COVID, me I can call name. In terms of the COVID, I think 2021 could be better. Jesus. It's gonna be worse. I don't know what's gonna happen. A lot of persons are saying 2020 are the worst year and them can't wait for 2020 done. But we don't know what's going to happen for 2021 because we can't see in our future, you know. Never expect 2020 to be like this, you know. And if those people find a way to kill we off and them see it at work, they will continue do what them are doing until they get rid of all of we, you know. I'm never ready for that, you know. Hey Jamaican things, what's up? How are you doing? I see you send me a link, but because I'm using the phone to do a live, I cannot go on WhatsApp now. Happy New Year to you, baby. 2021. So 2021 is just a number, so why you think it's gonna be better? It's not gonna be better. It's gonna be the same or even worse. And I agree, it's just a number. True. Christmas come and gone, so I can't believe the year just come and gone, so girl. No look excitement for true. None of that. Pure sorrow. Vexation of spirit. Violence increasing. And nothing good. The next thing when we talk about, guys, the government is saying that school will reopen coming January, right? January. So how is it that parents going to prepare for their kids to go back to school January in such a short period of time? Me can't understand that. My daughter now go back to school. I'm afraid gonna lock me up, but she's not going back out there. Why you think the next 2 weeks are gonna rough around the world? Why do you think that? It is not safe, but the government said it. They're going back to school. It's not safe, especially after the holiday period where you have a lot of gathering. It's not safe for kids to go and mingle. It is not. Government have their money, you know. They can't homeschool them picnic properly. And even if they want to send out their kids to school, they have the right facility or whatever they need for their kids, unlike us poor people. They need to try and implement better strategies that are proven safe for high-risk children. I mean kids with all illnesses. Exactly. Not only that, they can pay for a private tutor. So it's better for them. Of course, it's better for them. In every way you look at it, it is better for them. My daughter asthmatic. I'm not going to send her out. No day. They're not Jamaican things. They're not. And they're under pressure. The system of them under pressure. Because even if they're on the street hustling, the government has sent police and we call them one day. They transport people, them to take away the people, them goods. I don't know. Poor people under pressure. And poor people fed up. Poor people fed up. I don't know what could become away. The hen away. I don't know. When we grew up, we hear say the poor I could get poorer and the rich I could get richer. And it is all been played out. You see people are get poorer and poorer, crime and violence are increase. The rich one them are get richer. It is so sad. Okay, Chipsy. I forgot say I juggle 3 places, so me understand, honey. Real supporter. Even this YouTube thing that we're doing, I think it's going to become more challenging because, they realize that a lot of persons rise up becoming YouTubers, and, they can attend to their family. So they might make it become stricter for us, especially Jamaicans. Because I don't know they can fight against Jamaicans, so, they can fight against we in heavy look away. But me hope me get monetized and my friends them get monetized soon and make some money before I get stricter. Enough people say they're doing YouTube not because of the money, they're doing it for the fun. Me, I do it for the money. I want the money. The money part nice when you have support and people watch your ads, girl. Most man, make sense. It feel like a waste of time, Kimmy, when you post content on top of content and people not watching it. It is very discouraging. Trust me, it is. Exactly, money is nice. It's not even nice for gather the confidence to put out the content, much less the money, girl. And if them not watch the ads, you not make much money. $50 a month is not bad, but it still not make you feel good. That can't make you feel good. No, $50 like almost $6,000 a month. That. No, sir. That can't make you feel good. Cause when I get that $50 there per month, that done in a bills. You not if you can cover your bills, but it done in a bills already. Better nothing still. We not complain better than nothing still. But I mean, if more people watch the videos, watch the ads, you make a lot more money to take care of family, not true? Yeah, better than nothing, man. But you have people who can support you, but they choose not to. They rather to support the bigger YouTuber them, where make money already. And what's sad about that? Small YouTubers and the big YouTubers, they're doing the same thing. And they make it look like we small YouTubers, we content a foolishness. Me don't like that, man. Me don't like that. Cause nobody now look upon you and give you that unless you work for it. Even when you put in the work, people not pay you. Cause I remember when me at work, my ass off, guys. Me a working, man. And me underpay for how long. Pay promises to me I could get back my money. And them get me so frustrated I had to quit my job. So even when you work for your money, people trick you. Oh, Maya. Maya is sleeping, hon. I carry her go with a village earlier. Can make she tour the place. So she come back home and want to sleep. My sister. My sister is sleeping, my cousin is sleeping, Maya is sleeping. I'm the only one. Yeah, sleep, man. Yes, you know when I jump up a while ago? When I remember boy a man. Me see it today. The way I jump up, yes.
them come in.
The
And
way,
them in a member.
then I remember, the way you jump up here, shit, then me baby not text me. Oh,
You
God.
can't hide at home.
Oh, she tired, man. So you go. Tian is not sleeping. Look at the time. What is Tian up doing? Watching cartoon? I'm just going to run this. I cannot go up to 12 o'clock. YouTube. What is he watching on YouTube? Is a YouTube.
12 o'clock, did I know?
12 o'clock in Trinidad?
4 minutes ago.
Mm, okay, nursery rhymes. Okay. Bingo and Five Little Ducks. I remember when I used to sing those songs to the little babies. Oh, Lord. Me a long time I not play those songs, because me not teach again. And Maya no want listen because she grew up. There was a farmer who had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, behind. There you go. How you spell again? Bingo. So, Jamaican things. Sleep a kill me, no? Me want sleep. What is your New Year resolution, Jamaican things? My big girl now, she want watch Disney Channel and movies. I'm if you tell a girl I'm Fred Irish, but me stop her from watching Fred Irish. She watch like 1, 2, 3 Go and cartoon, and me realize lately she mainly a play games. Not only the people them a call up on the channel. Then see if you can sit down and come talk for me. Then see if you can talk.
I got talk, sir.
No. If sleep a kill me, girl, me clean down the house today, watch and cook. Oh yeah, one day off, girl. Oh God. Me just wish me could have come up there, come help you, trust me. Because me know it's easy for your work. Easy for work and take care of the home. It drain you. Make sure you take supplement, Take up a vitamin and your iron. When we done all that, me go edit. Wow. Oh, so you sent the link you sent me. That's a video you have uploaded. Girl, mother help you, man, cause me there you not do nothing, And me know me that do so nice content, man. Would have put out content if we were there together, and I would help you with the house. Okay, when I end the live, I'm going to check it out, alright? Okay, Chipsy, you're still here. Alright, so just two of you here in Jamaican things. I don't understand, persons are telling me that they're not getting notification from me. So I don't know what is happening with YouTube. Normally when I start a live, I would have few people here watching. But now, we hardly have people on my live stream. Okay, they're not getting the notification. Yeah, man, you can call me in the morning. Alright, yeah, sleep now. Get a rest, man. Get some rest on. And kiss Tian for me. Happy New Year to you, Tian and Scott.
have 2021 now.
Oh, them live for see 1 new year. We not live for see it yet, you know.
1 more hour to go.
1 more hour we have to live for see. Wake up, Chantel. Tell her say 2021 now.
You mean you can call me?
Oh,
What's the because when I tried to share the like phone call, I go, show me stay up late last night.
maybe probably if you were
My
on
phone
the
like
phone
drop
with
off
him.
last night. I make fingernail dry.
Fingernail.
That is it.
Oh.
In think I made early definitely I don't want the fingernail.
You do them?
Mm.
Mm. I just feel like mother get so in trouble, you know. Thank you, Jamaican things. Let me ring.
So what was your boy?
Mm-hmm. When she have man problem, I she got her bed left me, you know.
Them bad man problem.
When things don't go fair way with man, she just vex with me too. And go sleep.
That don't make no sense.
I don't lie. No make no man get to my head.
You have feel tired and feel it in your face.
Mm-hmm. So you feel
I'm trying to search it. I don't know. I feel my face hurt.
maybe a sinus. I like me want sleep. I think me I could sleep for one next hour still, you know.
Mm?
I think me I could sleep for one next hour. And I could upload that video there before me go bed, you know.
Mm. 2021.
2021 there.
Thank you, Jesus.
Master of Games. Happy New Year. How are you? What is your New Year resolution? Good, good, good. It's good to know that you're fine. What's your plan for the rest of the night? Where you go to know?
Brush my teeth.
Mm.
Tonight, I'm going to sleep. I gone.
Shadeen still up on the road?
I'm not funny rolling then.
Around there?
Over in front of the yard in there.
Okay.
It's like an apartment complex they live. So
Mm-hmm.
some people in front are feeling cars. Mother, chill with them. The phone breaks when you put it on shower. That's another.
Okay. Maya, me out jump off our bed. Maya. I'm from Jamaica, Clarendon. Where are you from? Tanzania. Tonette, you know about Tanzania?
Huh?
You know about Tanzania?
It's a country.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Someone on the live is from there.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Is it an island?
Hmm?
Is it an island?
No, I think I like Europe. I think, Africa. I don't know.
Where is your country in Africa? East
Africa.
Africa, East Africa.
Africa?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
I would love to come to Africa, the motherland. Can you get me over there? Maya? Mommy? My.
Smile, I think I look at me.
Look how she sat on the bed. Would you like to visit Jamaica? Jamaica. Maya! Go over on the bed and Maya drop. Careful, go on the bed. What's wrong?
Then I say, get up. You just have to put it down. What?
Yeah, to drink water right through. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, give me 1 minute. Let me get my daughter some water. Hear that? Damn! Boy! No, sir. Up here, gunshot. A firecrackers, and not even firecrackers, a fireworks. You soon hear a gunshot, man. Don't worry yourself. Yes, but for nowadays, no money. Maybe later. Same thing with me, you know. Master of Games. No money. There's no money. I don't know how they expect us to survive without money. Where's your water? Let me get your water. I know when you live nice, you want water. Where you wake up for? Hmm? Why? Where you wake up for? You should have sleep, baby.
What is it? Over.
Oh, Miss Wow.
Well, so what we done?
No, it's up in the kitchen there. Hey, I seem to have made up for me a penny. Wake me up for what? Vicky water, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And then I can't give her the ice water. Then the kitchen water pipe.
I see one other video. That do I see.
Chantel, at 2021. He like, remember. At 2021 now. Yeah? Yeah, sister? We live visit 2021. Shan, we live visit 2021. Yeah? Hey, that cost me. No, stop.
So then fireworks in front of like fireworks.
Tell him, send me video. Tell him to send me video.
You said it.
Mm-hmm. They don't have curfew over there. Nope. They might better want to see why that not run well down in Dubai. If it is possible, would I run well left Jamaica too? Okay, so I'm back. I'm back, guys. You come over yesterday. You like the bubbles in the video? It comes with the the live. I like it too. It is cute. When will you go live, Master of Games?
This is pretty bad.
What is that? Their fireworks?
Yeah.
Send it to
I'm
this.
friend, Miss Annie.
Send it to this number.
I'm gonna know that the number one.
Uh-huh.
Which number is it?
Hey Les. Good night. How are you? Let me text you on it so that you can send it to me.
Let me take the find it.
You find it? 312? Oh, you send it. Or you're just getting the notification. YouTube, I deal with me bad man. Hardly having people on my live lately because they're not getting the notification. Sister, we live visit 2021. Here? Here, sister? Come here. Les, do you have curfew over there? You guys are home, chilling, or you're on the street watching fireworks? What is it like there?
Everybody have fireworks.
Some fireworks here, guys.
Coming out.
This is Trinidad. The Guardian. My friend over Trinidad said with this. You're in the background there?
It's me.
Yeah, Shade. Okie dokie. We should I go? What do you want? Make up a name. Let me see something. Turn it. No, send him on the live, you know. No, send him over, yes, I do. Yeah, man, YouTube not going good at all. Oh, you're home. Okay. Well, I don't rang you, no, Liz. When you're home, it is safer. Because we know, say, the virus still a go around. Even though you guys have the privilege to do whatever, go wherever you want to go. It's best to stay home. You go out when you have to go out. But other than that, it's best to stay home and limit the amount of person you go among. Master of Game. I'll be live afternoon today, but I'm wondering you're saying good night, and for me right now is morning. What is the time there? It is 11:14 p.m. 11:14 p.m. What time is it there? PUBG lover, happy New Year to you. COVID isn't that bad in Jamaica, you know. For me, these people new to your Gypsy. Them I'm a long time supporter, but I see YouTube now. YouTube a fight me. So my people them now get notified when me go live or when me post the videos. So now get much support like me used to. I don't know me do YouTube. Like me and them in some malice. So guys, you can check out Chupsy if you don't have her. Check out her channel. She does amazing content. See, let's not get no notification. I don't know what is going on. A long time if I get monetized, you know. Long time. But YouTuber fight me. Yeah, man, I'm a day one supporter them. Master Game is new though. He's new to the family. Over 100 people me losing a les. You remember them people that used to dip on my live with me? I'm not going to call them. They're YouTubers too. I can't tell the last time I see them on my channel. Some of them get monetized and just gone, you know? That's a true, Les. A lot. Can me see you in the comment section, you know? Me see you. But one thing, you know, leave me out a bit. You don't leave me out. And that me tell my friend, you know, me say even when me post foolishness, if me not sure of nobody else, me sure of you, know, Les. Me sure of you. And me appreciate that. Trust me. You're one of them who keep me going. Kind of time me feel like give up, you know. A lot of time.
What are you doing?
What happened, mommy? Huh? Fun? Want the fun? Put it on low. Turn it on and put it on low. Plug out. Madeleine TV. Happy New Year. Greetings. From me and my family to yours. Oh God, I'm coming, guys. Let me turn on the fan for Maya. Are they in the phone now? In the phone now? They cannot come up so close.
I'm telling you to stay up.
No, they cannot say so close to the fan.
No one up on it now. Put it on the wall or something.
Sure, one please. Mommy soon come up your ear. You okay? So PUBG, what you up to? You said you saw me in my bed today. Why didn't you call to me? I'm here. I went to attend to Maya. I'm here. Okay, PUBG. I have some rum cream for drink up in at 12 o'clock selling, so I want to stay up so I can drink some rum cream and go easy till me fall asleep. That's a one PUBG. You know hear not yet now. Watch when you touch down to 12 o'clock. You're gonna hear pushing wing wing wing, pushing wing 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 wing, pushing wing wing. You're gonna hear that all over Jamaica. Everywhere. You're gonna hear that. Guys, what's away? We can't go to church to celebrate watch night again, eh? Yes, PUBG lover, do that for me now. Do the do's. Visit, meet and greet. Do the do's. And you know a church me did want go worship God. Yeah, that's true. Sorry about that. Alright. Master of game. It's not good for true. For real, for real. But now and then I have to attend to my little daughter. Church only keep online. I don't think online church is effective as the face-to-face church though, you know. I don't think it's effective. Yeah, it's because of social distancing. Oh Lord. Sooner or later we cannot go to church online nor in person. And they're going to take away the Bible from us. Can you imagine that? But we can still worship, you know. We still can worship woman and talk to God. Yes, man. You can connect and watch others' video, but you just do it the right way. Not really talk about it on the live, you know? If you see someone that you'd like to connect with, just go over and leave a comment. Leave a genuine comment, and when they see it, they will return the favor. So it's not sub for sub. Just go over, watch, and show some support, show some love. Yeah, a lot of people getting sick with the virus. True, true. And I heard of a new strand that is coming, or strain that is coming. I heard that one, when you catch it, you only live for 3 days and it causes blindness. Someone was telling me that they heard it on the news. Where them a turn with Ina? You two room me visit, two room okay, two room. PUBG, they go on good, man. You they go on good. Yes, guys, just do it genuinely. My bell is on for you guys. If you don't dance good, I'll know. Let them know that, Shupsi. Let them know that. Guys, I don't want you just to go over the people them yard. Go eat them food and not care about them plate. So if you eat them food, bring back the plate. Return it back. So you can get more food. Alright? Don't be like the greedy people them eat the food and throw away the plate. Enough of that go on for my channel. For the day I give them food, then gone back, not every plate, me no see back. They no come back. So do the do's. Do it right. Do it genuinely. OMG. Yeah, man, that's what them say for real. So them say they don't have the bratopsy. They don't grow good. I know they ain't granny grow them, you know. Unless they have young granny. Cause we know it's the granny teach with the right way. Yes, Les, me nah give up, you know. PUBG motivate me to, you know. With him by my side, me I can continue. At times me give up. I'm in a post for a period of time. But you know, say if we not put in the hard work as a YouTuber, we not gonna see the benefits. So I feel I go and push. I go and push less. My channel over 1 year now, and I'll know I don't reach 3K watch hours. And I have 163 videos. Can you imagine that? And I'll know I can reach the 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, man, I can push and don't stop. I can push. Because by now in February, that's my target to reach my watch hours. When it reach, you go happy. A true man. You'll be so happy for real. Chupsy, me try, me put out the work, Me put out the work, man. But to be honest, the type of content that I want to do, it takes money. It takes money, and sometimes I don't really have the money, to do what I want to do. So at times, me lay back. Me not really get the help. Me not really get the help, Because you not get no help because the bigger YouTuber money alone them want. Me ask some bigger YouTubers to help me, They want money. And they want a lot of money too. I don't have that. Sometimes I wish I have someone to go on the street with. To get good content. Someone to video me while I'm doing whatever I'm doing. It's hard for me alone to go out and do it. And sometimes, to be honest, me shy sometimes, If me have a second, it would better for me. If you're not post, you're supposed to run a playlist. But stop run my playlist. But stop run it because at one point I used to run it on my TV and on one of my phone. Yeah, but me get so frustrated and stop doing all of that. Kenny, the amount of people you have on your channel, they should be watching all your videos to help build up the watch hours. They're not watching it unless I don't know why they're not. And I have 1.3K persons now. And they're not watching it. How do I run my playlist? What I do, I normally just go on playlist and and just select the playlist that I want to run. For example, if I live stream, just make it play. Everything on that playlist just going to run. If I vlog, me just go on that and make it run. Why I hide my account? To be honest, earlier me used to do sub for sub, and when them find out you reach a 1K chipsy, they unsubscribe from you and they don't want to watch your video. So once me reach the 1K, me just hide it. A lot of us we hide it. Friends and family, think I ask them, I beg them go and I beg them come. Them have all kind of excuse. Some of them are talk about light bill. Some of them are talk about light bill. Some of them are talk about how them phone them use. So me not really have that support, to be honest. You hide yours. Oh, me so unhide mine, But me want to reach it watch hour first though. And and people who not watching the video, they're the one who discourage you the most. They find fault with everything that you do. Moya's makeup and life run out. Yeah, they love and subscribe. Then love do that. To run a playlist, you should create it. Then you log in another account. Then you play the Mrs. Moyer. Yeah, you cannot play it on your own account. If you play it on your own account, it will not count. It's not going to count. You have to run it on a different account or a different device. You have playlist, my you can run it, and you can me can run your playlist and you can run my playlist, so we exchange watch hours there. And you have to use VPN. Yeah, you have to use VPN to hide the ID. Yes, ma, you can link me up on IG at K_herself_. That's why I don't jump on people's channel, and I watch first before I hit that bell. Exactly, you have to watch first before you hit the bell, because if you go on my person's channel, you like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. When they go on it, they'll see it, but they cannot access it because YouTube gonna take it away. So you have to watch it first before you click the bell and before you comment. YouTube take it away. YouTube have a time when they go around and purge. So people who subscribe to you and them not watch it, YouTube just take it away. Sometimes none of them literally unsubscribe, but because they're not watching your video, so YouTube take it away because they are not genuine. YouTube no. Yeah, without the belly gone. Exactly, without the belly gone. Yeah, most of them are YouTube. YouTube no real supporter, you know. So YouTube just kick away fake one them. I wish I some could have see fake people. Wee, I wish I some could have see fake people. So everyone staying up for 12 o'clock. God will show you in other ways. Well, that's true, Maya. True. God always show with them, but sometimes God put we through some situation before He reveal them to us. Can build a group like WhatsApp group and run playlists. PUBG, that's a good idea. That is a very good idea. YouTube know them are fake, but if nobody not watching the video or live, not going to go out. Them YouTube not gonna push it. You not gonna get no recommendation, so I don't know. Not gonna get the views where you want. YouTube no fake. But you see, funniest thing, we struggle as small YouTubers, we struggle. And when we put in the work and reach where we want to go, that's the time people are run we down, when we don't need them. That's the time they run we down. But not only on YouTube that happening, in the world. When they don't need people, that's the time they need you. And when you ignore them feel like say you're bad mind and you're ungrateful, remember where you're coming from. But they don't remember how they treated you when you really needed them the most. Yeah, when they don't reach the top, that's the time they want to give you the strength. When you already reach, when you needed it, they didn't give it to you. Life, man. It's life. Guys, me really appreciate you guys coming out and chill with me, To be honest, a long time I haven't had this type of support. This means a lot to me. I started a live earlier. I went up to about 2 minutes. Nobody came on. So I just end it on private, that live. I'm say, you know what, may I go again? May I go again, you know? And I have you guys here with me. So thank you very much, guys. We are going to support and give each other the strength. Yeah, man. We need to do that. We need to do it. That's why I don't tell people I will support. I go and watch and give a like. Exactly. Not tell them say I could do it. Just go and do it. Because actions speak louder than words. Make we do it, man. Do the do's. Make we do it. Make them see. And when them see, if them loyal or genuine, they will return it, you know. You not have to tell them, say. If you go watch your video and subscribe, you not have to tell them. Once them watch it and them genuine, them will return the favor. Alright, Chupsy. Oh, Miss Sunkako. Alright, so you can go to your bed. Or you go somewhere else. Thank you very much, you know, Chupsy. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the strength. Happy New Year again, guys. Happy New Year again. I want to sleep. I want to sleep good tonight because tomorrow is not just going to be tomorrow Friday, tonight. Tomorrow is going to be Friday, but it's not going to be a normal Friday. It's going to be New Year, the first day in 2021. So I want to get on a rest to see that special day.
Vienna art.
Vienna art?
Yeah, art.
I think so, you know. Let me check it. Arteries, aorta, aortas, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary vein. Sometimes, if without the fan, not. She miserable when she not under the fan. She twist and turn. Bake up yourself, Chipsy. Alright, Chipsy, go and go edit, my friend. Looking forward for that video. The tiredness? Okay, osh. I'm going to stay up with my family and celebrate. Okay, Les. All the best, alright? Les is not a YouTuber. She's not a YouTuber, but however, she gives support to YouTubers. Whether small or big, she a real supporter, may I tell you, Chupsy. No, man, she's not a YouTuber. She's a genuine supporter. Not because she support me, but she support actually every YouTuber. Cause every YouTuber page make up on me see her. 2021 will be better. We have to claim it in the name of Jesus. We have to claim it. Chantel. Shan. Sister. We live this 2021 year. Come here. And that boy I like that. Sister, easy though. OMG. I'm gonna go 1 hour. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. May I just wait till 12 o'clock? 11:40 now. And then I'm gonna shout. And a Merry Christmas. So when I'm gonna shout to cousin Happy New Year? Happy New Year. Over 84 YouTuber. Wow.
84 YouTuber.
One person support over 84 YouTubers. She name less intensive. You tell about real supporter, you know? You have to say every channel where you go. Razor, Rolly, Trish, Yanja, Travis, Jamaican things. Everybody. You know, see who she not support. And she's not a YouTuber, you know? But she support them. It's a challenge. Me don't know how she do it. I don't know how you do it. But you do it. Yes, PUBG, it's a lot. It's a lot. I want to do one collab coming next year, 2021. I want to do a collab with a big YouTuber. But then if you charge me so enough money now, because I don't have it.
How many Chantel and your food?
That's how she go on, man. Girl, I don't know how I do it. You don't know, but you just do it. Don't know how I do it, but you did it. Me can't sing. You do it, man. And make your bill a channel. Enough of them now support your box. Your life. Exactly. True PUBG. But she not watch that, you know. She just give them the support. Clean heart. Glad you see God. You know the lady they were said that on it. They said, glad you see God. She named Queenie, you know her? Me, I go always support small YouTubers because me know the struggles. Of course, the struggle is real. Struggle real, man. It is real. One thing, you know, me can't play with me here. What if I do it for me? Guys, we're counting down now, you know. We're counting down. Guys, we live, you know. We live amidst the COVID. We live. Oh, no, no, sister, we live. We live, guys. We're not dead. We're not mentioned among the dead. We're not in the statistic. We're not dead. We have breath. We have life. We live. We're in our right mind. And all we eat. Not true. All we eat. We have so much to give God thanks for. Yeah. Right now, midday I work to get monetized to by February the latest. That me say to Chupsy. By February the latest. And we can get it, you know. Make we just continue to do the live stream them and we will get it. We will get it. Yes, Les, we have to give thanks. Have to give thanks. Enough people dead, you know. Since the pandemic, you know, a lot of healthy people. Me not talk about sick people alone. A lot of healthy people drop out. We're not special, you know. We're not special. But because of God's grace and His mercy, why we're alive. And mercy, you know. We have to give thanks, man. I love to do mukbangs, but doing mukbang by myself, me not think it funny.
Lick your foot on the bed.
Me not think it funny if I do it by myself, the mukbang. But if me did have one second person, would I do a lot of mukbangs and a lot of challenges and stuff like that. In the reaction video, me not know about that one. Me kind of feel like me stuck up. But me I can try now. I'm going to try, Les. I'm going to try it. Trust me. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna change up the content a little and see. Okay, Les. So do it and choose a topic. Talk about what is going on around the world. Alright, make a try. As well, PUBG always tell me say Do it. You've been doing it by yourself. Do it. And stop sit down and wait for people. But me always I say, me not have nobody for do this, me not have nobody for do that. So Leslie, I come and confirm now. Me gonna do it. I'm going to do it. Yeah, man, it's ideas and I really appreciate it, Les. Trust me. I really appreciate it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Mama, them a hear your yarn, you know? Them a say, we tired by the girl that's over there. Oh, Jesus. Of course, I'm a hear you. Yeah, man, me I could try. Because let's me even plan to go back in the kitchen and do some shakes. Because I used to do shakes and do the cooking now and then on the channel. But me did stop. Even that me say me I could try again. Because people love watch food videos. Me realize people love it.
I wonder if I because my try come down here.
Connect. Do you know the journey from Kingston to Montego Bay far? Even from Maypen to Montego Bay far? When me and Maya come,
I'm so tired.
when me and Maya come, we sleep out today. And because when you come, we go back on the road and we come back in late. So that's why you feel so drained. Go and go sleep, man. Me soon come off and left so you can go and go sleep.
And then so we wait till New Year's.
God, Jesus. So wake up, Chantel, and it want to go and talk now?
Since my face at me.
Lord God.
Then wait for my sinus are just tired.
Then go sleep, man. Want go sleep. Tell him you can't hold it out no longer. You want to sleep.
I want to say 2021 too.
Me we wake you when at 2021.
No girl, me like who with me.
Well, me can't help you then. Do what you have to do, hon. You can do that. Don't give up. I won't give up. Thank you, Les. Nah, I can't give up. PUBG, you still there? So Les, encourage me not to give up.
PUBG, a showing friend.
Saying friend. Nah, give up, Les. No, me I can make you proud and make my daughter proud because she a push me to, you know. She has 7, but she a push me. And I can make other people who believe in me proud. Nah, give up. 11:48. Yeah, man, for real, Les. For real. And to be honest, you know, guys, I need this monetization, you know. I need the channel to get monetized because I have dreams, I have plans, and I need the money to do. I need it, you know. I not go hide, I not go on perfect. I need the money to go back to school. I need to go finish up when I start. And I look at money me wait for because I not go back in the classroom. For now. Me I try YouTube. Me I try YouTube. Where? Of a student loan? What me this one ask again? Oh yes, you know me never remember. Good girl. No, me never remember about him. You see good for love talk enough? Me I ask him for you. Remind me a man if you ask him here. Not true. When me pen and me paper there, can write in a book and paste it up there so me ask him.
So why you never do none of the inside? Like the eyebrow something.
Today?
Before today and before today. Or not put like that.
No, Shan work every day, no? That's why we never get to do no tutorial. Today she for me come and first she stay at home. Yeah, call them and torment that we don't live together yet. Oh, Tonight, a time for we start drinking the rum cream over to 2021, you know. Because it's 11:50 now, 10 more minutes. We have to go and sip it little to 2021. Sean, wake her tonight.
Me?
It's jumping around put on your phone again, you know. I'm going to go now, Kenny. Just make sure you just make me proud, Mama. I will do what I have to do, Kenny. You know what I mean. Okay, Les. I know you're gonna do that for me, Annie. See, Granny Day. Oh my God, they're tired. Yes, Les. Now you know me love you, Les. Me have a special love for you. Cause you really show me support. Yeah. So just take care of yourself, Les, and enjoy yourself with the family. Keep them safe, alright? Oh, you're on the phone. Sister. 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 Sean. What look on her when me I talk to? Me ready for your rum cream, you know? We need rum cream for drink over to 2021. Sister. Eh? Oh. You're not ready for your rum cream? You don't want none? You don't drink alcohol? Not even taste it? Not sip it? Come give me my rum cream, yo. Boy, she don't want to drink alcohol. You're low key. Thanks, Les. Tell your family happy New Year from Kenny and Kenny family, alright? Right, Anthony, tell Les Happy New Year for me.
Happy New Year.
Sleep a killer, you know? Sleep is killing her.
Nobody not busy about it. Nisha the prawn live. Don't know.
Rum cream in a
He said he
teacup.
pick him up on the line.
Big up to Shadane on the live. Shadane, I'm a friend. Him live a foreign. And right now in the on the road. Where in the on the road? Oh, in Ghana now. Yeah, guys. Shadane, big him up. Alright, Shadane, me big you up.
Get too no, stop it. Your phone battery low. Your phone battery is low. Your phone battery low.
Oh, me did like a drink coffee, you know. But remember, so I have to sip it. I have to sip it from 2020 to 2021.
Get me like frustrated.
Remember the live at your conversation, you know? Okay, no problem. And a tea, me I drink PUBG. A rum cream, me I drink in a teacup. See tablet here. A teacup, then give me in. If one dead?
Yeah, me tell him, I am talking to him and he was screaming at me. I said something different.
You sure not junkie junk?
I don't know.
That not sound like him. Sound like a junkie junk.
Like him deaf. Like when he talking,
So like he's excited to live to see 2021. I feel up in our head. So you have to understand. Give him until tomorrow. And if he talk to you so again, you beat him. See, big head Shan just wake up. She just wake up. Then body tired this PUBG. She and Tony body tired.
Yeah, what's all over the place? What the hell?
Who have no hello I play? So I love to lie for me. Tonight me get a good turnout, a good support. Blessed, blessed, blessed. She a work it. She a twerk it. She a twerk it.
What work?
Chantel. Mighty God of Daniel.
Dad, you broke me, my God. Mighty God of Daniel. Really? Really?
I don't cream talk to me, man. I sing one song for 2021, you know. Tell me one song if you sing tonight.
Happy New Year.
No, one God song.
Which one to bring out though?
Shan, give me one 2021 song.
Look here, you just awake. We have time for this.
No, sir. These people crazy when they want to sleep. They're crazy.
I don't understand how the fan turn on and face the wall. The wall hot.
It a blow up on me. 2020 gone PUBG. 2021 ban. No, him not gone yet. Him in a process. In a process, him mother deliver him now. In the 4 centimeter. PUBG, you know, serum cream nice though. Nice bud.
By 2021, that finish all the cup done.
You're not a good girl, you.
All the cup done. Can't manage you.
You're not good. Food in the same way?
Avoid me, this is mine.
Are you one?
You never eat your food.
Eh. Oh, yeah.
Shut in your phone on charge. Tell him it's 2021. It's freaking phone dead.
What you say about 2021?
About 2021 night. Tell him it's 2021 night. I say your phone was on charge.
I say 2021 nice.
And then shut up, me. Phone doesn't
2020.
lock off.
Oh, God.
2021 nice and
I mean,
people come in.
Miss, it come and get you ready. Monique, what's up, my cousin? Happy New Year, my cousin. Happy New Year. 2020 go when no one see you again. You make me broke. Hope 2021 is better. Don't run him PUBG. No run him, you know. Because we don't know what 2021 will come with. Because 2021 looks sneaking. It looks sneaking, you know. Oh. So now run out 2020. 2020 me grateful. Me know you put me through a lot of struggles, you know. And you teach us how to love our family more. You teach us how to make money with the skill where we have. Not true. And you teach us to be more independent. And not forget we neighbor yard go beg.
3 minutes to go and then we can bus.
Because some people love beg, you know. They say COVID-20 and COVID-19. PUBG, you know, easy, you know. 2021 new COVID. Was it COVID, I don't know if you say COVID anniversary.
We take a little time.
One look salt, Kenny beg your little star. Me not see girl up the side. She a drink. We drinking rum cream. She dey drink Malta. You want Malta? Can get Malta PUBG. But me not no salt. Some money you go on. You gotta watch night. Father God, thank you very much for helping me to live to see 2021. Me drink Pepsi and water. Pepsi and water. What if you throw water on the Pepsi? Too ash. Nothing there. I got you. Someone, so you're not gonna your bed yet? Why you not sleeping? Cause my uncle, daughter, my cousin.
Hey,
Yes! Me leave! Yes, my phone say it. Sit there.
what am I time?
Me leave.
1 minute to go.
PUBG. We leave. PUBG. We leave. We leave.
Same so Shade that
We leave.
We
We leave.
And now it's 2:40.
Turn it. Me say we leave.
I'm not time yet.
Me say our time at 12 o'clock. My phone say.
Your phone rang.
Me see what I want to say.
12 o'clock.
No shot no start boss it. PUBG say no shot no start boss it. What? So my phone I say 12.
Your phone rang.
Well, 1 more minute pan this a phone. Yeah. Oh, PUBG will live, master. Will live.
make it joke with you.
Me not. Hear it.
The fireworks.
Like fireworks.
Somebody. Jesus mighty God.
Oh wait.
So this one's heavy like you do a rundown.
Fireworks.
Fireworks are heavy?
Yeah, right, they say they.
Them a bus fireworks.
PUBG.
PUBG.
PUBG. Me think I will like pushing. Me think I will like pushing them down about their rise up. All the house are vibrate. Pushing. That was a gunshot. Believe it that.
Chatting used to.
Oh, believe
And
it.
she live near to farm, so she used to go shopping.
A fireworks.
Yes, hear it?
It's it a gunshot that was done.
Me say PUBG. Me swear up something there. PUBG, listen PUBG. That's all like a one bomb.
I can't see you.
I force me or something like that.
This one you go spell me up in your ears.
So we can open the door and see.
Normally spell up in your ears.
If we open the door, we can see it.
One of them bust and they go low.
Guys, me only open that hear that in the PUBG. You can't hear that?
You hear it, Shannon?
Cousin man, Monique. I'm glad I live for 2021, my cousin.
A PS is supposed to bright.
But we can open the door and look. I shall have the door open. Lock.
Close up in long time. Now you wait me but I'm asleep and we're picking fill up the lock grill.
Jesus, hear it.
These are fire rocket that. Actually, they used to go shot. They used to. Used to go good.
PUBG.
Fire rocket. Jesus Christ.
No, sir.
But she's like, you're fireworks, and I say, I go chat.
Yeah. You know, the old people, country people, they used to. No. Clappers and fire.
I gunshot me used to. I used to them something there. PUBG. I hear my own. PUBG at hear. PUBG at hear my theme side. A whole heap of pushing. Not your PUBG.
A fireworks that day. Then
Then I say heavy.
A fireworks.
Me have to come here to your window. How much percent you there? 99. I'm sit down with the pan charge like say. Chantel. Turn it, move it. Hear it?
A fireworks that man. With a one shot man, boss.
Pump what? What's up if you open that door? Yeah?
It can't chin more there.
Guys, do not hear it. No, sir. It's that a person. Hear the guys. You hear that? Do not hear it.
A fire rocket. Fireworks.
Jesus, mighty Savior. Hear it?
Clappers, that one. Jesus.
Chantel, I go love me. Oh. PUBG, you hear that? Come like a thunder roll. This a phone a lock off. I can't see them comment again. Go up on the live, Shan.
And a fish mouth.
You heard it? Go up on the live for me, please. The phone the lock off.
Yeah.
No, sir.
How much days leave now?
You the panic? Wait now. Where you call Mustafa?
Ciao. No, come with this. Or if me just wait.
If they set up and up, you jump up and up in a bad I did. You heard it? Me not telling no lie.
Clappers. How tired are you?
Not telling no lie, sister.
What about Donny Cup not done yet?
The PUBG I say. I hear my own. Tell me if you hear it. Yeah, hear.
You know, some of the fees sleeping now?
I can't feel
You don't feel
sleepy.
sleepy again now? The year I'm sitting for doing it.
True.
I'm gonna go outside. Let's go watch you.
Come now.
What's on go out live?
Oh shit,
Mama
live
said
up
my
again.
friend can go out live.
Where PUBG gone? You're the man?
No man, no one go look. You
Wow,
know
look, it's
that.
heavy.
Open the grill.
All you open
Keep
it.
close.
Hey, look.
You like keep close.
No, sir.
Everybody,
Eh?
it sound good. Where there? Can't do it. Where's something there?
He heavy, man.
It sound like it done.
Tattoo, no late like what?
Somebody then they said that do like 5 minutes.
Tell us,
so
say, you see, maybe I last one that because it really sound loud enough, and the last one normally louder
PUBG
than
say
the
one
rest.
soon dead. PUBG a whole bad things are going down here, you know. One soon dead.
They spell up in English already.
So we now better go outside then.
So we are going to do this. We are going to do that now.
In here bed we are going now. Will
None of the egg.
you not ready? Not any live? You nobody want to sleep? Any?
No, I'm not going to be sleepy.
Oh.
And then we could have full person in our chat in.
We are going to try to see.
When PUBG phone dead? PUBG. When PUBG phone dead? PUBG. We can have some girl time. You know what I mean? Time like when you don't want to sleep. Wait, no man, nobody tell nobody say you love them yet. Me love you, yeah? 2021, me love you. You my sister? Tonette, me love you. You my cousin? 2021. My daughter, me love her too. Everybody on the live, me love you now. Gunshot like, wow. Me know how up sustain up PUBG. Me just can't imagine what going up there.
So
I
food
don't know,
o'clock or is that up
normal.
there?
A Clarendon, something I go on yet and I'm be and hear it. That's how they wicked up there. That me I try to tell you.
Remember which song?
Clarendon, then they do it. And you hear it down here. Oh. And put Clarendon, me pen and a play pen. That me I try to tell you. Think we play?
Lord, talk to your phone. Me tell you.
But guess what? Yeah, before I chat, if me here for a rocket, me I run gab think I got shot. And me I go like say me brave.
Say, the fireworks like going out the road, me run gone they look.
How about they happen?
Me run gone they look, girl, they cuss me, they tell me how me a frighten Friday. And back I run back and me they come to see it too. Touch it.
That's PUBG where the man?
Nah, leave PUBG time.
PUBG say in battery I dead. PUBG tired me.
Tane, come up me mouth and on alone and taste things.
What?
I use my teeth.
What the blue key?
Sorry. You're going to shut the door. That one I going to shut look well, you know. But they're not bad like Clarendon people. That ain't good. So why?
Why we go waste bullet?
So why?
Yeah, now we already are here fireworks.
Why?
Tomorrow.
They stop down here too. They stop here now. But me not hear no gunshot down here. Me not hear no gunshot down here, you know. Or just fireworks. So clear down here and them up a waste of time. Always a boss up them foolishness there.
I stop it.
Sister, me can get the water there, please.
We can't manage it.
You hear what she said? She said cook gum. She said cook gum. She can't manage you. You sit down by yourself.
That's new.
You say nobody ready to get
Nobody not ready for sleep.
So they come You have sitting up on it?
Yes.
Then we have about a few courses.
I can't find the key.
So I'm not buying kind of juice then I can't.
You know, so one time I buy malt and a pulley. Using teeth and pulling rude, you know? We say put it down, you put it in the fridge and go in the room, go hide and pull it. Pull it here, go and give me.
Hey, are you picking up?
So what I try say? After me not rude.
Expect the unexpected.
What I try say? What I try say, sister?
I just know.
2:30, yeah, 2:30 your time when I eat one.
That's what if my key? I can't find it. Hello, I'm trying to give me thing.
Okay. You want to sleep now, you know? And listen to me, girls. This is when me asleep, when I don't talk loud and wake me. And please turn off the bulb.
About 10 times I wake me tell me about 2020.
So me not wish you happy new year, Chantel.
I'm sorry for you when you was asleep.
Me did just have to wish you happy birthday. Happy new year.
People get panic.
I know you.
People they panic and talk to them. Make your phone come.
I know
They don't
you.
talk to them, say what?
Anything, just talk to them.
No, master.
Lord Jesus.
And I know see New Year just come, like me no good on us on New Year's.
But me feel like I did go sleep and not wake up, so me have to wake you. Actually, me love you, me wake you until I say 2021 coming up.
You do extra.
And you cost me. One next time you come and wake up and I go wake up. You know, we should have buy pizza.
We do what, buddy?
Send it where we chant happy.
They don't want pizza because they don't want to waste their money. Because pizza no food.
I didn't know, so now hypocrite. Don't use what my word for me. Them are hypocrite, you know? Them are hypocrite. Don't you have full place. Remember me tell her that. I'll know me no hear. Boy!
Listen, one year.
More fool.
in,
Westmoreland?
No, 1 year. Long time ago. So after me and them married and stuff, I decided to me go family. In Friday that keep party when I hear and we go around there. Yes, when me did it, gunshot to that killing place.
So what you do?
Afraid, just stay inside.
So you tell you?
Yes. You see when me look out that door, I be a soldier. Soldier fully placed. Me? Afraid, I couldn't wait till morning come.
Me not like them.
Me?
Me not like them yapping. Escape with that year. When they are yapping, master. You could have in a deep sleep, you have to jump up. You have to jump up, girl.
But me I wanna let them know nothing them gonna have like a place so
So then kill people down there, girl. They still like do it. Yo, people need to behave themselves, you know.
They don't have that, you know. They're pad cover.
Then Jackman they never did a bad place.
But since we did it, I must say one time ever you're going to chat from there.
Me not like your gunshot, yeah, man. I
Said
can't
now the
bother
time
with
I
it, something
found
there.
man, they come like me I got dead. I was so scared because I'm not used to that.
Look, you know, some baby is a paranoid when we just go up and go live. Them time there when a New Year.
Boy, I get sick in the head.
If he must sleep in, jump up and cover up in ears and tight up himself, you know, man. Every time she hear me, she's afraid for my baby.
When she
Yeah, even if he die red then, when a gunshot not there, and he hear loud noise, he feel like a gunshot and cover up. If he got church and hear, hallelujah! He ball, he walk out yard, he quench up. Because I shot them when exposed to the type paranoid. Why? She a great old still. PUBG gone in bed. See PUBG there, lover one. Let me say PUBG, I say. phone soon dead. Like, wow, hello, and like, them stop and now.
Come like.
Oh, then that's Chipsy. Have 1.2K subscriber. I love that hard work. Yeah, man, she work hard for real, man. She work really hard. PUBG. PUBG make any live. I'm if go up to 2 hours. What do you think? Go up to 2 hours? Hmm?
How much subscriber you getting?
1.3K. Mm-hmm. If I go up to 2 hours, PUBG. I get one day I would we know, you know.
So PUBG can join you.
Me I use StreamYard, me I use YouTube live.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. PUBG phone knock a lock off and now. Respect me general. Later PUBG. Hopefully we can meet tomorrow. Which part you live so I can send one gift con give you? 7 you there? Okay.
PUBG since yesterday, today.
Well, like PUBG I tell boy see me today. I don't even know where PUBG come from. Good night from me and my family, PUBG, and Happy New Year again. 60 there now. Alright, PUBG. So me I got any live.
Alright, he said 6. That means say done
Low
now.
me. Low me.
6 minutes done.
6 minutes.
6%.
Where's the 6%? Yeah. PUBG can go on and bed now when I got any live. 2 hours me I run if I turn it. 2 hours.
So how long you there now?
1 and 44 minutes.
And so long in the chat, it can't say used to the chatting now.
Oh. Oh, it depend charge and I run down. What to that phone? Hmm?
So you have to do it by hour?
Mm-mm. You see, for the 1 hour, for example, and people depend, you get enough minutes. But people have to be on it.
Oh, my God.
To text you. You no can go and talk to me for 2 hours. Text me some things and me talk to you. Yeah. Go and text me, Sean.
My phone
For
battery.
sure.
Charge over there, so.
And my TV charger and mama.
You know what I can charge your phone?
Oh. Wait, so go and text my sister.
My phone battery dead. My son come off fire.
You thought they sit down.
Because for me then you want to come, you say I come off for me. You know that for me. I bind you up in the name of Jesus. You're up on the bed.
Need for that for the phone.
Me,
Nobody doesn't me Happy New Year's, you know?
But not send me it.
My baby tell me Happy New Year's.
And I was Shade and Yushka would text me where if you have New Year's something for when I went. Nobody gets to tell me Happy New Year's.
Me don't know if nobody text me because I'm on the live. So when I go on WhatsApp, if they don't text me, me I can block everybody and left them in a 2020.
Tell me. I'm telling them.
You don't feel yours a shake?
When?
Look well.
11:04 to be exact.
Who sent you?
That was Anthony.
Jesus Christ, I didn't ask you the name. I mean it for your baby.
So when me talking here, me hello, I'm telling you this. I don't know the name now by you. I'm for me.
That's it. I want you to own up your man, so.
Why?
Hmm?
No, me not gonna have things.
I didn't know what nobody want to see.
No, sir. Yes, I love you.
That was me, I say, promise that.
AMC is here. What's up? Welcome to the live stream. Remember to give your all thumbs up and share out the live. What's up? You live this 2021. How you feel? Happy 2021 to you too. Make sure say hope only good things happen. That's true. So what do you think about the virus? You think it can continue spread? Or them can, control it? I know my phone that. Oh yes, and baby, so me have space seat. Yes, sir. Me have space seat, you know, guys. Look, yes, sir.
Jesus
space
Christ. Me can't manage the
Which mother you
granny.
have space teeth?
Can't manage the granny.
My daughter tell me so me have space seat, so no bother with me.
Him no space
He
teeth.
say me have one broke yes, so. So I'm
So that
space seat.
makes
Indeed, must see that space.
Me have space seat. You know, see na my mouth, I have one big gap.
My teeth big like
You see it?
I go bad.
Me that the blood of Jesus, I guess me daughter now come back. Her father have gap in her, but he have the side. She get it in her center. Me I put one teeth there, man.
You think you know it expensive enough?
Me not care, me
One
ask
canal is for like $50,000.
50,000? That's not expensive.
For one teeth.
Then I want teeth more if you go there.
Figure where?
Right here, so in a middle part where two space if you man. Yeah.
You just go fix it.
Me not pay $50,000 for one teeth.
Me I buy and fix up my picnic
I
mouth.
got to want full teeth, a half. Like quarter, like only tinted. You know, so bad like honey should be.
You know what do canal? You know want to say no want no filling. This is but you can get the white filling. That's with the one I teeth broke off, but I run and stuff. You said take it out. You know what take it out. And I run and stuff, and I like I run and front.
Yeah.
I run and stuff.
So you want to take out Tifa? Take out teeth. You know teeth dear into people. Let people take out teeth.
Why not if me could have take out the wisdom teeth and take it out?
You know, some like the black teeth.
See what?
If front teeth, I like when it break, it look cute. You know,
Because
I'm not sick in it.
no, you know, poach in a true. Shalice. Poach
you
fan
know,
checks
some
in
people don't put mouth, some people don't put mouth on.
I like the black teeth, it fit enough people. Not everybody fit still, but I like see it.
But me have one classmate and then they wind up on wall and looking teeth. Can they?
Wine pan wall.
One column did in the classroom.
Mm-mm.
And they call it Patsy.
Oh, you remember back then there was
Remember
one
Patsy?
wine pan Patsy. Otada.
Looking front teeth.
Mm-mm.
I remember when we were at high school and this fight they go on. And this guy named Bulby take
I
up
know
the
you
chair,
have
you
to
know.
stay back. Go sit up teeth.
Take up the chair foot off of one I loose chair then
Mm-hmm.
outside my door. And lick the boy in the mouth, you know, broke out the whole if any kind of teeth come straight back. Drop out. I say my pick out teeth to backside. They say the boy teeth done. You know no teeth left in the mouth. Fight, then they fight and he take up the chair foot and slam him in the mouth. Me they tell her.
Hey, school picnic bad, you know?
Me say spit teeth.
Oh, God.
Tell myself and that. My girl take camera from me. No, me you have things.
Me not, Trisha test me, me not. So I'm not till tomorrow.
So why Trishna watch me live?
So you know that.
Like she hot girl.
My girl take a camera from me.
Oh, you just want
We have 3 persons in the house, you know, guys.
It's true, son.
3 persons watching.
How we get it back? Get. I'll take on the live chat.
Mm.
You know, so the girl wicked and the girl have camera from my face, you know, tell me to do it again. A problem.
Right now, I tell her say live done because it freeze. I feel good when you rocked up in my arms. Girl, like it look like I hit that feel live, you know? When it's freeze up.
You're not free.
In a freeze?
Unless it's Chantel.
But Shan freeze, look. See it there, come up now.